If you guys are new to this channel, you probably haven't seen much of this Miata, but today I'm actually filming a bunch of videos about this Miata. So let me just show you the interior real quick. Yes, I got something on there so I don't ruin my nice floor mats. I got these floor mats made, so it looks kind of Porsche-esque. So I don't want to get it all dirty, but let's start off with the steering wheel. So this steering wheel is by Rivery out in, I think, the UK. Super lightweight. I think this is about a quarter pound. And then we got a Zest-Tech controller right here with a bunch of cool buttons. I'm not sure if you guys see this, right? All sorts of these functions that you can use when I actually swap out the ECU to Haltech. So yeah, everything is going to be functional, including the paddle shifter. I'm not going to be using the paddle shifter to shift, but I'm going to go through like menus and stuff like that, right? And then if I pop this off, you can see this has got a super fancy German Krontech quick release, very popular on GT cars, and they actually use this on DTM cars. Super nice. And look, they even hollow that out, so it's super lightweight. Now, while we got this thing off, I'm gonna show you the cluster assembly. So this is by, I think, RS Refine, the rings. There's all aluminum rings that you have to glue onto the OEM fascia, and then the red over there, that's I think by Rev Limiter out in Arizona, I think. And then I got matching rings right here too. So these are stainless steel rings, and then the little eyeballs are also chrome. And then over here I got fancy aluminum handles, door pull, and then aluminum handles there as well. And then, you know, this color is from I think a BMW. Why did I do a BMW color? I don't know, I just felt like it. And then I got some fancy little foot controls right here. That's super cool, SRP. And then I got this guy right here from, I think, Moss Miata? OMG custom plates. And then all sorts of cool OEM trimmings and hardware that I spent way too much money on. So that's why this car is super expensive, because I spent way too much money on OEM hardware. So everything's nice and pretty. And this hardtop is also brand new. And then I put my air fuel ratio gauge right there, my boost gauge right there from AEM. All of these right here is brand new from Mazda, which is crazy. Like all the buttons, all right, all the buttons. And then inside I got this Recaro Pro Racer Hans SPA. This is actually Kevlar. And then I think this is Zoom Engineering. I forgot who actually makes this. I don't think it's Zoom Engineering, the center console. IL Motorsports, maybe? I totally forgot. It's got a cool pocket right here for my phone, and then the IRP CAE shifter. I literally just did a video on this. And that's pretty much it. We got cool stuff like the Zoom Engineering push start right here. See that? Super nice. The little ring for the cigarette lighter that no one ever uses. And that's pretty much it. Oh, I got this cool mirror. Look at that. Oh, I think that's by Zoom Engineering as well. And yeah, that's pretty much it for the interior. I didn't want to do too much on here. Yeah, just keep it OE plus.